Just taking a little break. Thought I'd show you how my little pipe smoked. Got McClelland's Drama Reserve in here. It's windy. Good smoker. It's not bad. Oh, I'll show you. The knife I used to make this, right here. That's it, man. Those teeth on there. See, that's what I used to do this on, and hand carved everything. Good way to see if you like pipe smoking. The neighbor's raking all his lays, blowing them all, then raking them and burning them. About got the Jeep on fire. Like, uh-oh, be careful with that. Let me show you what I've been working on real quick for my dad. He's kind of tight on money. Been working on his little chainsaw here. We did the carb and put a new fuel filter in there. Put new gas lines in. Use the Oregon gas lines. I'm still not done. But, and then his little tiller, he's got one of those little Manus tillers. Right now it's got a little cracked bulb on it. Look in there, that little bulb's cracked. But, I don't know. It's a good little running machine, I suppose. I don't know that I'd pay $350 for one, but this is an older model. But put a new air filter in there and cleaned out the carburetor on that, and had to do a carb rebuild on this one. But then I got this lawnmower, self-propelled one over here I got to work on next. So, anyway, yeah. Kind of keeping busy. But that's all I wanted, gals and gents. Have a good day.